Welcome to the TaggID Dashboard, the place where you monitor everything that matters most. Pets, loved ones, valuable items, all managed in one unified view. Here, your real-time notifications, map data, and device activity flow together so you always know what's happening inside your home ecosystem. You'll notice the system separates custom notifications from alerts, giving you full control over what you track and how you're notified. Next, let's walk through how your notifications appear in real time. When you tap into any notification, TaggID opens a simple editor. This is where you customize exactly what you want to track and who it applies to. First, choose your entity type, whether it's a pet, a person, or an object in your home. Then select the specific TaggID device or user tied to that notification. You can write a custom message, set a schedule, and even choose how often you want the system to repeat this alert. Once everything looks right, hit Save Changes, and TaggID handles the rest. Whenever you want to track something new, just tap Create Notification. TaggID opens a completely blank template so you can build a rule from scratch. You start the same way. Choose your entity type, the category of what you're tracking. Then select the specific item, pet or person wearing or carrying the TaggID. Write a short message to remind yourself what this alert means. Then set the date, time, and whether you want this to recur automatically. When you're ready, hit Create Notification to add it to your dashboard, or cancel if you want to start over. This is the Admin Management Panel, the control center for everything connected to your TaggID network. From here, you can manage pets, items, people, sensors, and every TaggID device you've registered. Each profile gives you live status updates, what type of entity it is, whether it's active or resting, the last known location, battery level. You can edit any profile instantly or remove it if a device is no longer in use. When you need to update a pet's information, TaggID keeps everything in one simple form. You can rename the pet, update the species, or change their activity status with just a few taps. Link the correct collar, adjust the last known zone, and even manually set a battery level if you perform maintenance. Adding or updating a photo helps you visually confirm each profile at a glance. And for anything unique, the medication reminders, temperament notes, or feeding habits, the Notes field lets you store those details right inside the system. Finish by selecting Save Changes or delete the profile if the device is no longer active. This is the Add New Pet screen. The structure is already here. You can name your pet, choose the type, link a collar, assign a zone, and even upload a photo and notes. Right now, the Pets section is about 90% wired up. You can see how the flow works from profile to notification. The same pattern is planned for items, people, and sensors. Those categories are laid out, but still need some finishing work under the hood so they behave just like this Pets flow. This is the location map, a visual snapshot of your home. Every zone you've created appears here, giving you a quick overview of where activity has been detected. Each tile represents a physical area in your house. When a tag enters or leaves a zone, TaggID logs it, updates the dashboard, and triggers any notifications you've set. You can filter by pets, items, or people, allowing you to focus on the things you care about at that moment. Color indicators keep everything organized: blue for pets, green for items, red for people. As we bring sensors fully online, this map becomes even more powerful, updating in near real time as movement happens throughout the home. When you click any tracked pet on the map, TaggID brings up a clean, instant snapshot of their most recent activity. You see the pet's picture first, giving immediate visual confirmation. Below that, every key detail is laid out: the last seen location, the last time the system detected them, their battery level, and their current status. Any special notes you added show up here too, helpful for reminders, care instructions, or anything unique to that pet. These quick views will soon be available for items and people as well, once those categories are fully connected to the backend. As you can see, everything in TaggID can live on a single, continuous homepage. Notifications, pets, people, items, sensors, all of it in one clean scroll. But long-term, this isn't meant to feel like a crowded control panel. The idea is simple. You only keep what you actually use. Maybe you only care about vulnerable adults, or just pets, or a few high-value items. In the future, each section here becomes an add-as-you-go module, something you can turn on, turn off, or expand when you need more. TaggID is built as an ecosystem, but your version of it should feel personal. One page tailored to you, with the option to grow as your life and your home change. This is the foundation, and from here, we can keep adding new pieces only when you're ready for them.